Good afternoon, everyone. We are standing in front of an American Freedom built by Chandler in Arizona. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, open floor plan. As you can see, this is a beautiful home with a Craftsman elevation. I really do love the half front porch, the board and bat with that lap siding. The neighbors have a very well-maintained yard. This community is a beautiful community in Auburn, California. Edgewood Village is a 55-plus community. We hope you enjoy this tour. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. We premiere new and pre-owned manufactured mobile homes and tiny homes on a weekly basis. It also really helps out our channel if you hit that like button. We appreciate all the love you can give by doing that. We are here for you to help you make a more informed decision when purchasing a home. All of the siding, most homes built in California have the Semplink siding, so it's very durable. It has a high fire rating. Check out these beautiful trees. I really love these colors. We decided to keep these trees in. If you know what kind of trees these are, please leave the answer in the comment section. I'd love to know what the name of these trees are so we could get more of them on our homes. Back here, the neighbors have put their own garden, which is something that if you purchase this home, you'll be able to do. Take a look at it. It adds some great character, makes it beautiful. You could put a shed back here for some more storage space, a nice picnic area with a barbecue. This is a very large garage. You could fit 2 to 3 cars if you move that parking stopper. These steps are built out of Trex. So it is engineered wood. It's going to last much longer. As we enter into the home, we are in the utility room where you can fit a side-by-side washer and dryer. You have a hanging rack for your clothes. I'm going to be showing you the main part of the house at the end, so make sure you stick it out till the end. If you want to know what the asking price of this home, it is $169,900. We are accepting, I should say we are open to all offers. The last homes this size sold for $179,900 in this community. Take a look at this guest bathroom. It is beautiful. There's more linen closet space or whatever you want to put in these cabinets over here. All of these are laminate tile backsplash. We're going to go in this bedroom too. Here is the master. Ooh, back in here. All right, we haven't put up the mirror wardrobe doors yet, but they're going to make this bedroom feel a lot more open. It's going to open things up. You can easily fit a king bed in this room with end tables, nightstands. As you can see, this is a spacious second bedroom. Since we are in a senior community, this is a place that your grandkids can stay in this room, or you can make it an office, whichever you prefer. Over here, here's a coat closet. We still have the extra paint and carpet in there, which comes with the home, so you have some touch-up paint. And let's get into the master bedroom. I really love those mirrored wardrobe doors, and take a look at this view outside the window. Again, what kind of trees are those? This master bedroom is very spacious, can easily fit a king bed, dressers, nightstands, a TV over on that wall over there if you'd like, on top of a nice dresser. And here is the master bathroom, his and her sink. We added the bank of drawers going down this middle. And we also have that walk-in shower, making it easier for you to get in and out because of this 55-plus community. We added this window right here in the bathroom, which adds a lot of natural light. Right now, we do not have any lights on. I apologize. Look at those quartz countertops. Those are beautiful. Court seems to be what everyone loves. Well, we are headed into the main part of the home. It's beautiful. I love it. Tell us what you think. That large kitchen island. Right, in this home, we kept the standard flooring that's linoleum in all the wet areas. We added that large kitchen island, stainless steel appliances. Check out this full tile backsplash with quartz countertops. This really looks beautiful. I love the colors with the white and the grayish green on the back. Those are all wood cabinets. What's nice is over here, you do have your own dining area. So this is a little bit more traditional, having that extra dining area. You can easily fit 4 to 5 stools at that kitchen island on both sides, right here on this side and then at the end there. Now we're going to be going out to the porch. You can see the lap siding, the Trex deck. This is a fairly large porch. You're not going to be able to fit a table, but you could definitely fit a couple chairs with a end table, a coffee table. So I hope you enjoyed this tour.